You know what, Jay? I've been thinking. I'm really bored.
I'm really hungry.
It's weird. I've had this mood all day. It's like a deep feeling down in my butterflies in the stomach. You know that feeling? I'm sure you've had it before. It's this crazy feeling that we need to make a video of some kind of instructions. I don't know, instructions video. One of those.
Oh, maybe a food instructional video.
That's it, because you're hungry. That's perfect. We can make food and teach people how to make the food we're eating.
And satisfy our own needs.
We can satisfy other people's needs. We can never do that, right?
We can find a way.
Yeah, like Disney says, dreams make wishes.
Yeah.
Dude, that's my wish. We should make a dream instructional video. No, not dreams.
Let's
That's
do
too
it.
abruptly. Sandwiches, those are simple, right? But not just any sandwich, like a simple one. Like, yeah, elegant.
Simple, but complicated.
Yes.
But easy for the person to make.
Yeah, something that they can make that's good. This idea is coming to me. Wait, I need some. Oh, wait.
Grilled cheese.
More elaborate. I got it. Barbecue, ham, turkey, and potato chip.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Yes, I'm seeing it now.
Our names plastered all over an awesome instructional video.
Like a billboard up in the sky.
Oh. But
If
we
only.
need like a production or something.
Dude. What about a drink? Like if we named it some kind of drink. What could it be?
Sweet tea.
Iced tea. Better. If only, right?
Yeah. So what we have here is 2 average slices of white bread. What we also have is some smoked ham and some turkey breast. What we also have is some Boulder Canyon olive oil kettle cooked potato chips. What we also have is some barbecue.
What we have here is some ordinary butter melted for 15 seconds in a microwave. Here we have 50% more free 28 ounce at 18 ounce price Sweet Baby Ray's gourmet sauces barbecue sauce.
The 2 main things that make this business successful is Luke Hill, a well-seasoned chef.
And Chef Jay Bogarts. He adds the spice to the hot sauce.
First things first, you're gonna get 2 slices of bread, and you're gonna butter them real good.
Second thing second, you're gonna want to take your bread, other 2 pieces. You're gonna butter them as well. Butter them good.
Third things third, you're gonna want to fry this stuff. Like this is real cooking right here.
Alright, good.
This
Hear that sizzling?
is some real cooking right here.
Fifth thing fourth, you're gonna want to cut the ham.
See how he's cutting them in even slices?
Don't want to get it too messed up, because then you'll have a hard time cooking the stuff, you know? Just want it to be nice and even. Don't mess it up, get it good, nice and juicy,
You know, don't let it get on the counter. You can put it back because some people aren't germ freaks, but some are. So you want to be careful because the germ freaks, they don't like it if it gets on the counter. Unless your counter's really clean. You might like it then. You might be favored of it. I don't know. Chop it, dice it. Hear the sizzling? Cooking the barbecue right now. Put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Just enough to where it's noticeable. A little bit of hot oil sauce. And then cook it till it's hot. Mix it all together, you know, you get the best of both worlds.
Oh yeah. This is stage 5 of the process, and it's looking pretty good so far.
Grateful greetings from Jay's Luke's Barbecue Mitzvah.
Amen. Make sure you cool off your pan for a few minutes before you start the next
Step.
Yeah.
Did I do it right?
Yeah. Okay, the next step is we're gonna have to put the butter bread face down in the skillet, like so. The next step, you put the meat on the slice of bread, like so. The next step is you get the other slice of bread, butter side up, and put it on the meat, like so.
Squish for texture.
Okay,
That's cold.
now we're gonna see if the bottom's done. It most definitely is not. This is our beautiful masterpiece.
We have created for us, not you. We're teaching you. You can create this at home. Squish. Texture.
This is what one side of the bread should look like after it has been cut properly.
This is how to properly dispose of your dishes.
Be careful to not do this near a fire alarm.
You could very well be burned with texture.
These are our completed masterpieces.
Okay, at this step of the process, you have now completed cooking your
You
sandwich.
should have to, if you did it wrong, the problem's still on. You should just rewind, redo it. If you need to, that's fine. Again, some people are students.
Alright, so at this time, we are now going to valiantly try our sandwiches.
Now, good word.
Wait. On 3, guys, let's count down with us. 3, 2, 1. Our masterpieces were successful. I hope they're as successful as yours are. This instructional video is brought to you by Ice-T Productions.
Yeah, I wish.
And me too.
If only.